So in this video, we're going to do two-sum part 2. Input array is sorted. Given a one-indexed array of integers numbers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order. So, find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target number. Let these two numbers be numbers at index 1 and numbers at index 2, where both numbers are in between 1 and numbers at length. Return the indexes of the two numbers, index 1 and index 2, added by 1, as an integer array of length 2. There's exactly one solution. So, this is the key difference between this and two-sum 1 is that in this case the input array is sorted. So what this means is I can actually do a two-pointer approach. So if I have one pointer at the start and then one pointer at the end, I can then get the sum, and then I can know that if it's too small, for example, then I would move up this pointer because the next value is going to be bigger. Otherwise, if it's too large, then I would move down this pointer. And I'd keep doing that until the sum of both my pointers equals target, at which point I can just return the indexes of both those pointers. So yeah, it's a pretty straightforward solution. I'm going to go ahead and code it out now. So we'll have int x equals 0, int y equals numbers.length. So y numbers.length minus 1. So y is going to be the last pointer and x is going to be the first pointer. Now while and then let's say int sum equals -1. We'll say int sum equals numbers at 0 plus numbers at numbers.length minus 1. So yeah, this is going to give us the initial sum based on the 2. So we'll say while sum does not equals target if sum is greater than while sum does not equal target, or we'll say while x is smaller than y, if sum is greater than target. Let's do this. Sum. So sum equals I didn't mean to do that. If sum equals numbers at 0 plus numbers at plus numbers at y, and this should be x. If sum is greater than target, then that means the sum is too big. So we will say y minus minus because we need to lower our first let me do if sum equals target, then we can return and let's say int ans equals new int 2, and then we'll say ans at 0 equals x plus 1 because it says here 2 added by 1, and then ans at 1 equals y plus 1. Otherwise, if sum is greater than target, we do y minus minus. Otherwise, if else we do x plus plus. So in this case, if sum is smaller than target, then we increment our x value. And then, we have this loop while s is more than I. We'll just add I think we need to return -1 just to return here, but otherwise I think this logic makes sense to me. Let's go ahead and give it a run. Oh, okay, we'll just say return ands. Okay, so it looks like it works for these test cases. Now let's see if it works. Sorry, I'm just trying to, okay. Now let's see if it works for everything. And perfect, there we go. 96.27 time complexity.